So this is Parker's second trip to a dog park. We just got here. He couldn't care less about the other dogs. He just cares about peeing on every little thing. Oh, there he's meeting a dog.
Well, then start running, Scrappy. You call him over. Yeah, it's like he's in distress. Oh, look at him.
He doesn't care about the other dogs. He just wants to love all the people.
See, they're starting to run. Come here. Go get him, Teddy. Go get him.
So there were a few questions about why I'm picking a travel trailer over a park model. Some of you may remember that even before I was a nomad at heart. I moved every 2 years, whether I needed to or not. I would get bored and antsy and have to move on to the next place. Sold houses right and left and bought houses, and so I'm worried that if I buy a park model, I'll do the same thing. Whereas if I get a trailer and put it in the RV section, I can just stay for a year and move to another park if that's what I want to do. But I am considering a park model, but I don't know. We'll see. And also, a couple people asked how the stopping smoking is going. Well, how long was it? Oh, it's probably been 2 months since I smoked. About 2 months. Yeah. So basically, I've quit smoking. And if any of you are interested to know how I did it, I will leave the links in the description of the 2 products I used, and I swear by them. If you use them both together and follow the plan, it works. So, okay, that's it. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye. So I'm sitting here editing this video, and Parker is inside. I'm outside, and he hears himself barking and all the other dogs barking in the video, and he starts barking, and he got all the dogs in the neighborhood barking. It's like telegraph. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.